Okay, all right. Now we're gonna do a little bit review on what we left on from last class. Okay. All right, so we talk about the volume, okay? Cubes and the cuboids, okay? This is the volume, and we say the volume for the cube will be the length times width times the height, okay? And we went over, this is a 3-dimension concept, and we went over about how to figure out one of the missing number if we know the volume, okay? And we now let's do a quick review for question number 2, and then we will continue question number 3. Okay, so for question number 2, Ricky, can you read the question for us? Hold on, let me, okay, all right.
The volume of a cuboid is 24 centimeters. The length of a cuboid is 3 centimeters, and its width is 2 centimeters. Find its height.
Excellent, okay. So this is what it tells us. It says the volume for this cuboid is 24 centimeter cube, okay? So it says the length is 3. So this is 3. This is the length. So it says length equal 3. You can see it's 1, 2, 3. And then it says the width. This side is the width. It's equal to 2. You can see it's 1, 2. So the volume, we still missing the height, right? From the previous one, we know the volume equal to length times width times height. So we know the volume is 24, the length is 3, the width is 2, and we have the height, which is unknown. So we need to figure out what is the height. The height will be 24 divided by 6. So everyone, I need you to type your answer on the group chat, include the unit. What is 24 divided by 6? Yeah, we want to figure out the height. Excellent, include the unit, okay? Excellent, good job. So our answer will be 4 centimeter.
Send it just to the teacher.
All right, so 4 centimeter is the height. Okay, so we stopped over here last time. Now we want to move on to the next question, number 3. Find the unknown edge of each cuboid. Okay, so we want to do number 8 first. Grace, can you tell us what is the length, the width, the height, okay, for this question A? We need to know the length, the width, and the height.
It is 8.
What is the length?
8.
8, yes, very good. And then width?
8.
Is the 8, yes. And then we want to figure out the height, right? Mm-hmm. The height is AB part. We don't know the height. All right, Anna Sophia, can you tell us what is the volume for this? Okay.
Oh, sorry. It's 576 centimeters.
Very good. So they already show us the answer, right? So we just need to plug in 576 centimeter cube, right? So we want to figure out the height. So the height will be 576. 576 centimeter cube divided by A times A. What is A times A? Ricky, can you tell us?
8 times 8 is 64.
Excellent. So 576 divided by 64 centimeter. Then we can figure out the height. Everyone, I need you to type in your height with the unit on the group chat. Good job. Excellent. Okay, I think everyone get it. Okay.
Guys, do you think you could just send your answers to the teacher privately, because then everyone else sees the answer, and then like they know what it is?
All right, now we're gonna move to B. Okay, now let me see. Kenzo, can you tell us what is the length for this cuboid? Is question B.
6.
Can you say it one more time?
6.
Okay. Yeah, if you tilt it that way, you can do like that. Okay, so the volume equal to the length times the width times the height, and now it already tell us the volume. Alia, can you tell us what is the volume?
The volume is 216 meters
Good job.
cubed.
216 meter cube, right? And then this one is equal to the length. The length is this part. We don't have the number. We need to figure out. Times the width. Okay, so this is the width. 6 times the height. The height is 3.
Do you need us to take notes?
Yes, please. Actually, you can print out the handouts, all the material before class, so you can take note. That would be easier for you just write down the.
Where do we
the
get the
procedure.
handout? Where do we get the handout?
Okay, it's already on the Google Classroom.
Oh yeah, what's the code?
Yeah, but we don't have the code.
We don't have
Okay,
We
the
need
code.
the code, and no one's giving us the code.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to check with the director. Okay, they will give you.
We don't know how to contact Miss Marlene. Like we don't have her email or anything.
You can send a message through the Bright Wheel.
She lives down the street from me.
Okay, so send it through
Wait, she lives down the
the
street
Bright
from
Wheel.
She lives in my
Tucker.
neighborhood.
She lives
Okay,
in my
send it.
street.
All right, now we're gonna do 216 meters square divided by 18. So I need everyone give me the answer. Oh, someone already typed in your answer. Very good. With the unit, okay?
Wait, what's the question again? Sorry, I missed it.
For B, you need to figure out B. Everyone is figuring out Question 3B. Excellent. I think everyone, you got the right answer. Very good. So we're going to continue to our example over here, okay? Christina, if I say,
Christiana.
yeah, Christiana, if I say your name wrong, please let me know, okay? Can you read question number 4?
A rectangular container 20 centimeters long and 10 centimeters wide contains 2.5 liters of water. Find the height of the water level in the container.
Very good. Excellent. Thank you. And it always tell us 1 liter equal to 1,000 centimeter cube. Okay. So this is like you need to follow the step, plug in the formula, and then just need to convert to the same unit. That's it. All right. So let's take a look at this question. It says volume of the water is 2.5. It says on the question, 2.5 liter. So we need to convert 2.5 liter to centimeter cube. Why? Because all the volume over here is 20 centimeter long, 10 centimeter width, right? The wide. And then we want to make this volume into the same unit so we can compare together. Okay, so how do we convert 2.5 liter to the centimeter cube? So it's 2.5 liter times 1,000 because it's already tell us over there. 1 liter equal to 1,000 centimeter cube. So if we have 2.5, then it times 1,000, this will give us the volume convert to centimeter cube. If you don't have a question so far at this point, give me 0. Good job. All right, now we can continue. So now we convert to the same unit, then we can do the calculation. So we have the formula, the volume equal to the length times the width times the height, right? Now we have the volume for 2,500 equal to the length. Okay, so what is the length? Ricky, can you tell us?
The length is 10 centimeters.
The length is 10 centimeter. Very good. Okay, and then what is the width? Every.
Can someone mute their thing?
Yeah, everyone mute their thing.
Okay,
Centimeter?
yeah. All right, so the width is 10 centimeter. Very good. Let me put the screen over here. So we have oh, I think I wrote, okay. The length is 20, the width is 10, and then they want to figure out, find a height, right? So we don't know the height. Same calculation over here. So we move around our number, 2,500 divided by 20 times 10. So the height, what will be the height? I need you send me the height, include the unit. Excellent. Okay, good job. So the height, if you do the calculation, the height will be 12.5 centimeter. Okay? So there's no like tricky things on those questions. You just need to remember the formula, the volume equal to the length times width times height. This is 3D dimension concept, okay? Now we are moving down to question number 5. Again, it says they want us to figure out the edge of each cuboid, okay? So they give us the volume, they give us the area. Okay, let me tell you, let me refresh your memory. If you want to figure out the area of a rectangle, the area of a rectangle equal to the length times width. Okay, and then the volume of the cube is length times width times height. Okay, so those are the formula we've been learning from the past. Area of a rectangle is the length times width. So from this question number 5A, we already know the area is 66. So we can just plug in the number, right? Area, it says 66 over here. So they want us to figure out the height. Now it says the volume is 264. So we have 264 equal to length times width, which is 66 times the height. So what is the height for question number 5, figure A? It would be, the height will be 265 divided by 66.
It's 264.
I'm sorry, yeah, 264. Thank you. Let me erase it. Okay, over here. All right, so it's 264 because over here it says 264. Okay, so 264 divided by 66. All right, give me the answer on the group chat if you already figure out the answer. Include your unit, okay? When you do the calculation, in order for you to speed up, you don't need to write down the unit, right? But when you do give out the answer, remember the unit is important. Very good. Yes. Excellent. All right. So the answer will be 4 centimeter. Okay. Okay, let's stop right here. If you have any question, you give me 1. But if you don't have any question, give me 0. Very good. All right, now we can move on to B, okay? For this B, again, we want to plug in the formula, okay? The area for rectangle. Jelisa, am I saying right? No, I'm sorry. Can you tell me how you say it?
Jalissa.
Jelisa, okay. Can you tell us what is the formula for to figure out the area of a rectangle. So it's the area of a rectangle equal to,
You're supposed to add base times height times length. I think.
that's the volume of a cube. Very good. You jump one ahead. Excellent. Okay. But now we want to, okay, the volume of the shape would be length times width times height. But my question is, let me see. Evelyn, can you answer me what is the volume, what is the area of the rectangle? What is the formula?
You have to multiply length times width.
Excellent, length times width. Excellent, okay? So we have the area over here, it's 72, right? And then over here we have the volume 288, 288. And then they want us to figure out the height, okay? So same procedure. We want to use 288 divided by 72, and then it will give us the answer for the height. Can you guys all do the calculation and give me the answer on the group chat? Again, include the unit, okay? We have the unit. Good job. Excellent. Okay, very good. Now we're gonna move to our example for number 6. Grace, can you read the question for us?
Sorry, I had to unmute myself. Okay. A rectangular container measuring 20 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters is filled with water to its brim. If 750 centimeters squared of water is poured out from the container, what will be the height of the water level?
Okay, very good. Excellent. All right, so from here, we're gonna try this one together, okay? So from this diagram, it says the width, right? The length and the height is like this much. And then they wanna figure, this is the container, okay? And then they tell us the total volume of this container, of the water. You know, if the water is pouring out, we measure the water, it has a volume of 750. So pretend the formula for the volume is the length times width times height, right? Now we have the volume 750. This is the volume of the water, okay? And the length, what would be the length? Ricky, can you tell us what would be the length for the water for this container?
The 10 centimeters.
If you look at this side, yeah, you can say it's 10 or either 10 or 20. You can do that. This is the length, and then this is the width. Okay. All right. So the length is 20. Very good. Okay. And then the width will be 10. And then they want us to figure out the height of the water when the water, you know, pull in the container. This is the height for the container. Okay, so please don't use this height as the water level. Okay, so here we use 750 divided by 200. Then we can figure out the height of the water level. So everyone, again, I need you type in your answer with the unit. Include the unit. Okay, let me erase this one and then we will do the calculation together, okay? So basically for those questions, you just need to plug in, you need to choose the correct number and plug into your formula, okay? All right, so for our formula, I can see who is drawing. Please do not draw on the note, okay? So for the volume is the length equal to the length to the width to the height, okay? So if we want to figure out the height for the water, it says the water is 750. Equal to the length is 20 times the width 10. And then we don't know the height. So it says over here, so basically we want to do 750 divided by 20 times 10. Grace, what is 20 times 10?
Um, 200.
200, very good. Okay, Isabel, then what would be the answer for this one?
3.150 centimeters.
Okay, let me do the calculation with you together, okay? So 750 divided by 200, right? And then there's a fast way. Since they all have a 0, we divided 10. So we can take away this 0. Okay, so this will be, let me erase this. Okay, so this will be 75. Or if you want to do 750, you can do that. But since they all have 10, so if I divide it by 10, I can take away this 10. I divide it by 10, I can take away this 0. So it will be 75 divided by 20. Okay? So we try 3, 0, 0, 3, 2, 6. So we bring down 5 and 1,
Okay.
right? And then we need to put a decimal point here and bring down 0. And then we put 7, 7, 0, 0, 7, 2, 14. So this will be 10 left, right? And then we're going to continue. We want to bring down 0. And then we have 5, 5, 0, 0, 5, 2, 10. Now we have nothing left. So the answer is 3.75 centimeter. Okay? So it's
Okay.
3.75 centimeter. Any question on the calculation? If you have no question, I need you to give me 0. Okay, very good. All right. Now we're gonna exit out to the screen and then I will share you about the exercise. Okay. So for this exercise 53, last time we already did the first page, 97. And then I got your, some of you already turned in your homework. I got your homework already. So today, if you didn't print out or you didn't do the homework from last time, it's okay. I already upload all the homework on the Google Classroom. So
How do we-
if you don't know the Google Classroom password, you can send any request message through the Bright Wheel, and then they will give out the Google Classroom, okay? And from the Google Classroom, you can download all the handouts and homework. So today you need to do the practice for page 97 and 98. If you already did the 97, you don't need to worry about that. But if you want to do extra practice, you can still print out 97 and do it again. But if you did it already, you don't need to, okay? And
When's it due?
it will, for next week, it will do by next Thursday, okay?
Is this class over?
Yeah, but before we leave, I need you to, hold on a second, let me exit
Wait.
out to the share screen. Before we leave, do you have any question? No, okay, let me do the attendance sheet over here. And all right, so I'm gonna send out March 19 5B attendance sheet. After that, okay, Kenzo, you have a question? You can unmute yourself and
How will we get the homework?
download the homework from Google Classroom. And
How-
also you can upload your homework when you are done through
I don't know
Google
what Google
Classroom.
Classroom is.
Yeah, so again, if you have any question regarding the Google Classroom, send a request through the Bright Wheel or through the school portal, okay? I believe they already post the information on the portal. So check on that first, okay?
All right.
And
so
now
school
I'm gonna
portal.
send the message to everyone for March 19 5B attendance sheets. And please make sure you sign your name on the sheet. And then after you sign it, do not type any new message because everyone gonna sign on the sheet. And once you sign it, if you have no more question, then you can leave the meeting, okay? Thank you so much.
How
I'll-
are we gonna access the Google Classroom? I mean, how are we gonna access the attendance sheet you're just talking about?
I sent it on the group chat
Oh,
just
okay.
now, and then you should see it's March 19 5B attendance sheet. So you
want me to
just
write
need
that
to
down, please.
type your name.
All right. So what is it?
Wait, we can leave, right, after?
Yeah, and then you can leave. Thank you for joining the class.
Wait, how do we get to the Google Classroom?
Okay. Any information regarding Google Classroom? You can check on school
So
portal.
Google Classroom.
And then you
Google
can
Classroom is.
send the message through the bright wheel. Okay, if you still don't have the access code for Google Classroom.
If you Google Classroom is an app that you can download, and then you just need a code from Miss Melanie.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what I say. You need to get an access code from them. Okay.
Has this been emailed to the parents yet?
You might need to check with them.
All right.
That's a good question. Okay.
Well, then I'll see you guys.
All right. See
Bye.
you. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.
You too.
Bye bye.
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 Talia,